Excuse me. Maybe it's just old age. Wet. Gross. I wake up and I'm like, you pee on me. To hit.
Yeah.
To hurry home. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so I shared a soft life video with you guys a few weeks ago, and that was more geared towards like a feminine touch. But today I wanted to do a Wabi edition because to me, Wabi Sabi Decor really does embody soft life. You don't have to worry about everything being so pristine and so perfect. If you know what I mean, like it just is what it is. You know, Wabi Sabi really embraces the imperfect, and to me, soft life, worry-free, imperfect goes hand in hand. So yeah, I found some pieces and I just had to share. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion that anytime I see this sign on something, it's coming home.
I can't have it.
Like, it just is what it is. So I can't really make out what this says because it's very, very small text and I don't have a magnifying glass anywhere, but I'm pretty sure it's the technique that's used to make these pieces. Ever since I found this vase a few months ago, I haven't been able to get over how good the finish is on this and how wabi and vintage and antique it looks without me having to search antique shops. Like, it's right there at Homegoods. So at this point I have a collection and I'm about to share some of them with you right now. So I was browsing in Homegoods the other day and I found this and I love it so much. I actually have the bigger one back here. It's sitting back here right now because I'm waiting to finish my filming room to put that in there, but this is just a smaller version of him, and y'all, it's just so cute. I can't, like I said, this finish is very wabi to me. You get some lights, you get some darks, you get a lot of smudging, especially on this side. This side actually looks really cool to me. You can soften these with some florals if you want to, like maybe something really sparse and like a mauvey pinky tone if you want to make it a little bit more feminine, or you can just leave it by itself. I can see this in an all white room. I can see this in a dark room. It's just very versatile to me. It's very versatile to me, and I plan on putting this one in my guest bathroom with some stems in it just to bring a little bit of a wabi edge to a more modern space because it is pretty modern in there. So yeah, had to get him. Oh, he was only, oh, oops, he got some dirt inside you. He was $39.99, kind of steep, but honestly for the piece that it is, it's not, because if you try to find something like this, you know, like I said, in an antique shop or something, I'm sure it'll be more than that. So yeah, I didn't mind paying for him and I brought him home. Piggybacking off that, another piece with that same tag, I'm gonna take that off because it's kind of distracting. Put that inside. I got this. Now this one is a little bit different from the other pieces because it doesn't have as much variation in it, but it has a lot of texture, and I just love these pieces. Like I said, they look very rough and raw to me, and it helps me create a juxtaposition moment with all the modern pieces I have. Like I said, these are just, they're no-brainers to me. This one was $39.99 as well. I can use this as a vase, or like I've been doing lately, I've been flipping vases upside down to make them look more like a pedestal or a sculpture. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with this. This is actually gonna go in one of my bookcases in my filming room. The Billy bookcase that I want in the height I want is finally available at a store near me, so I need to pick that up. Probably this weekend I'll go pick it up, but yeah, I already said it was $39.99 from him. I don't know why I'm stuttering so much in this video. From Homegoods, love it, couldn't pass it up. So yeah, brought them home too. They do leave their mark on your hands, so there's that. Okay, so a while back I shared these two pieces with you guys and I told you how I love the way they kind of coordinate with each other. This is a selenite log, but it has, you know, those little brown pieces where it's very imperfect, which ties into the brown that's in this petrified wood on a stand. And I was reminded how much I really love that combination when I saw This Space by Jeremiah and Nate. I think it's in their Montauk home. It just looks so good, y'all. I have been loving selenite lately. I showed you those little tea light candle holders that I found in HomeGoods for like $6. So I saw this in HomeGoods and instantly I had to get it. It's another selenite log, but the way it's so imperfect, I just love it. You get that rawness right here on the edge. This was $29.99. I love how selenite is it's a crystal, so you get that very polished and kind of glamorous aesthetic with this. And I love putting this next to rustic pieces. I already had this stand from something else that I bought from HomeGoods, but this fits perfectly in here, so it'll sit on my bookcase. I do plan on putting this on whatever bookcase that the log I just showed you earlier, whatever bookcase that one isn't on, I'm gonna put this on so that they kind of coordinate.
Most people don't coordinate. See, you got to coordinate. Yes, that's what you did.
So the bookcases won't look identical, but they'll be cohesive. And I don't know why my voice is going out right now, but it's okay. Okay, so I want to talk scents, because to me, when I see, excuse me, when I look at a space that is Wabi centered, I feel like it smells maybe woodsy, hopefully kind of fresh.
Yeah, just clean, fresh air. Just smell good, huh? Yeah. Tastes good. Taste the air. Yeah.
Probably something like Palo Santo. And you guys know, well, if you didn't know, people usually get these little smudge sticks, Palo Santo, to clear out any bad energy. But the luck I've had with my smoke alarms lately, if you missed my last video, I had this whole fiasco with my smoke detectors. I had a wood candle burning. I forgot to trim it. I guess it was just too much smoke, and yeah. I blew out the candle. What do you want?
What more do you want from me?
So I won't be doing the smudge sticks, but I did find these Palo Santo candles at HomeGoods, and I just thought, first of all, the color got me. I ain't even gonna hold you. I love this taupey, grayish, brownish type color it is, and it's matte. The text on it is so clean and minimal. I just had to have it. It is, like I said, it's kind of like a musk. Not like musty, but like a little musk to it. It's not an overwhelming smell, but again, this is supposed to calm you and clear out negative vibes, so it doesn't need to be. This is by the brand Treo, and it was only $9.99. I grabbed 2 of them, and I just feel like this is gonna bring such great energy to my space, very calming, so yeah, I had to grab these. I feel like linen is essential in a Wabi space. It's effortless, it's natural, it brings a softness and freeness to a space, and you guys know I'm obsessed with linen. Like, clearly, I have linen curtains, I did a linen headboard, I'm just obsessed with it. So I actually finally invested in some linen sheets. I've had my linen duvet cover, this white one, for quite some time, and I love it. I don't know what it is, but lately, in the past couple of years, I've been sleeping hot sometimes. Like, sometimes I'm fine, I wake up, you know, great, temperature is fine, but then some days, whether my anxiety is high the night I go to sleep, or maybe it's just old age. Okay, I'm not old, but as I get older, I do find that things are different with my body. So sometimes I will legit wake up drenched in sweat. Like, I will have to change my shirt, I will have to change my sheets, because that side of the bed is just wet. Gross. I wake up and I'm like, you pee on me. Ew. Linen is very breathable, so it allows your body to kind of regulate its temperature throughout the night. It is, what's the word? It is it's hypoallergenic. It gets softer with every wash. Soft life. Hello. So yeah, I got me some, and I actually got these on sale at Homegoods. They were originally $129 for the set. This is a sheet set. It comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases, but I got it for $70, which I thought was a great deal. 100% pure linen, Belgian flax linen at that, and you guys know I love Belgian linen. My curtains are Belgian linen, so I had to get it. I cannot wait to throw these in a washer one more time for a little more extra softness and to clean them and put them on my bed. I just had to show you guys before I took it out of the packaging, so you get, I don't know, that it wasn't necessary. I could have just showed you the outside cover, but I waited, so whatever. But I have no doubt that this is gonna make me sleep a lot better. I'm not gonna have as much of those night sweats, and yeah, had to get these. And last but not least, I got some more linen pieces. These are actually curtains. They're by Tahiri Home. Tahari Home, and they're 100% wash linen. I love the tone on these. Like I said, I love a good linen curtain. I'm actually trying to make the curtains in my filming room a lot more dramatic. In here they're kind of minimal because I only have like 2 on this side and 2 on this side. I want to make that room like it's drama. So I got these. I got this set for $69.99. You get a set of 2, and like I said, I love the tone on this. It's very, okay, it's not very soft, but I'm not gonna be sleeping on these or anything like that, so I'm not worried about them being very soft. I was just worried about the quality and the texture on them. So they don't come with those metal rings that I've been trying to get away from. I just don't like them. So you can use curtain rings or a track system, which I do plan on doing. I looked at Sarah Wisted's video on how she did them with the IKEA track system. I thought they looked so good. So I do plan on doing that with these. I got this pair and this pair, and I also have some other ones I'm gonna mix in. So yeah, it's gonna be so good. And yeah, those are those. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope this video kind of inspires you to kind of embrace that imperfect, because we want a home that we can live in, not one that we can just look at, right? Right. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button, the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.